Fishing this weekend with a cold front coming in. Some would say when the winds are out of the north, you don't go forth, but with the cooler temperatures, the fish should be on the move. So I'm going to go green all weekend long. I think the bite will be decent. Weekend forecast, warm and sunny tomorrow, 84 degrees, a pocket full of sunshine Saturday, 71. We're warm and sunny, rain doubtful on Sunday, 75 as winds turn to the southwest. Hey, it's movies in the park this weekend, Bergfield Park. Saturday night, 65 degrees, a cool evening. Take the blankets and the sweatshirts. It's dropping to 62 by 8 o'clock. Starlit cool down to 58 by 8 p.m. Right now, not bad. Carthage, one of the cooler spots in center at 72. We're at 80 at Mineola, where the sky has cleared a little earlier into the afternoon. But look at the air out here, Durango, Pueblo, lower 70s. And that air is going to be funneling into East Texas here over the next, say, 24 hours, over the next day or so. By Saturday afternoon, the high temperature struggles to reach 70 degrees. Low humidity, very pleasant. Then Saturday night into Sunday, we drop into the 40s in many locations around East Texas. This is going to be kind of a chilly morning Sunday morning, but if you're a runner, maybe you can get a couple of extra miles in with the lower humidity and the cooler temperature. Satellite radar animation tells a big part of the story for the weekend. Just look, what you don't see is what's important. Hardly any clouds and certainly no storm systems headed for East Texas. Rain chances next 7 days, nothing on our radar till next Thursday when we have a 40% chance of rain. So let's remember this. This is the first storm of the new weather pattern. So we're going to watch the storm systems that come through over the next 6 weeks to identify signature storms. When the pattern begins to repeat, we're going to know more about the kind of winter we will have. Speaking of patterns, there are always patterns going on in space, and we have something that comes around every so often, and it is an annular eclipse. Next Saturday, the 14th, the moon will be at its farthest point from the Earth, and it will come right in line with the sun. The shadow of the moon will be cast on that sun, and that means that we'll have this little ring of fire eclipse happening across Texas, West Texas anyway. Here in East Texas, we'll be at about 80% of the view. So what will that look like from East Texas? Probably a very bright little edge like this at 11:55 in the morning. Then the partial eclipse will end at about 11:32. So make sure you've got special glasses if you're going to view the annular solar eclipse a week from Saturday. Here's the Bill Scott White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. Sunny, 84 tomorrow, mostly sunny, 71. 75 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're warming into the mid-80s. We got a chance of rain next Thursday, but for that annular eclipse a week from Saturday, how nice is this? 70 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Hey, don't forget, we've got Season of Change coming up in just a few minutes. That's on CBS 19 News at 6:30. All right.